Now then, we've got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that the Bella Lola Restaurant has closed down on Calle, Ramon, Gallud. But the good news is that it's reopened, bigger and better, just 120 metres away on the corner of Calle Campo Mar and Calle Clemente Gosalvez.
For those that remember where it was just quite near the Constitution Square, just on there. Come out of there, turn right, just on there on the left. We'll put the name of the street here, and it's a nice little corner property. A lot bigger than his old place. Get a lot more people in there. Oh, thank you. Gracias.
Thank you.
Yeah, beautiful. Lovely, thank you. Hello and welcome to Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. Today is another episode of our very popular Meal of the Day, or Menu del Dia.
Menu del Dia.
And
less than $12.99.
Yes, less than $12.99. We are here at one of our favourite restaurants, and it's called the Bella Lola. And the quality of the food is superb. It's probably the best value for money you'll get in Torrevieja. It really is top class. It has gone up a little bit to cater for the bigger size. It was $7.90 for a meal of the day. It's now $8.50. It's gone up a little bit, but well worth it. And it's a great place to be, a great place to sit.
If you've not been, you need to come and see, try it for yourself.
You definitely need to come if you haven't been to the Bella Lola. Come down here and enjoy what is on offer. Get a nice selection. We'll put the menu up now. There's something for everybody. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, so get down here. Oh, it's coming already. Oh. Oh, got the, very good.
Bread.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, yeah, thank you. Oh, it's amazing. The starters have arrived.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah, what did you get? A prawn cocktail?
So big prawns in there.
Seen that picture before. I'll tell you where I've seen it.
In that...
Bella Lola. So this looks really nice. I've got the mixed salad and a very nice proportion of salad. Some black olives, tomatoes, radishes, carrots. I've just put a drop of olive oil on. And I put some pepper on. I like my pepper. And they brought me some bread. And Yvonne's got a lovely prawn cocktail. It's a nice piece of bread, isn't it?
Rabbit bread.
Rabbit bread. Show the camera the rabbit bread. There we go, there's a rabbit long.
Rabbit bread.
Yeah. And what have you ordered for your main course?
The cake.
Bacon chips. The chips?
Chips. How's your salad?
Nice.
What's the prawn?
Yeah. Where's it gone? It's looking at you.
Still alive.
I can see now that the reason for the move is to do with the size. It's a nice big bar. It's got some outside space as well, so...
It's a lot brighter. It's a lot better outlook.
Yeah, it's more airy, isn't it? You know, it's like... So yeah, a lot bigger premises.
Nice and thick. Yeah.
That's a piece of fish.
When I saw it, I thought.
It's very tasty, this. Yeah.
Chicken fillet.
But the sauce is good.
Good?
Yeah, lovely, thank you. Yeah, very nice.
Just have a taste of that fish and that batter. It's so light. It's lovely.
Jen, have a lot then. That's nice. The curry sauce was really nice. It was a chicken fillet with curry sauce.
That's nice.
But very tasty sauce, really.
Just have a dip in you.
Have a dip, yeah, dip your bread in. It's not too hot.
No.
It's spicy. It just tasted nice, so I always make a mess, don't I? Might me mess up. So, what are you going to have for pudding?
I don't know what my choices are.
Where? Is it not on the card?
No.
No, I'm sure. Here we are, look. Oh, yeah, pudding. This is the postres, desserts. Can we ask what is the tarta contessa?
Contessa
Yeah.
chocolate y nata, como ice cream.
Oh, chocolate ice cream.
Tarta.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'll have a cheesecake, please.
Cheesecake.
Yeah. Lovely, thank you. Thank you very much. Very good service.
Friendly, very smiley.
What is a draft? Estrella?
Straight.
Estrella, I should say. Oh, here comes the cheesecake, look. And your chocolate ice cream. Is it chocolate ice cream?
Oh, lovely.
Oh, yes, very nice. Thank you very much.
Very good. Thank you.
This cheesecake's beautiful.
This is good.
Yeah, try some. Look at
What's past my best?
it's all mine. Oh, yes, please.
No, you can't. Let's try some.
I'll just try a little corner.
It's like Viennetta.
Yeah, it looks like Viennetta.
No base. Cheesecake with no biscuit base.
I know, no, but the actual, doesn't that taste beautiful, that cheesecake?
That's lovely.
Beautiful sauce.
Raspberry or
Cream.
strawberry?
I don't know. I can't tell the difference. Just a connoisseur I am.
You don't care, you just eat it.
I just eat it. This has got to be the best value in Torrevieja.
Yeah.
Isn't it? For what you get for the money.
Yeah. Definitely.
And the quality of food.
It's quality, yeah.
Yeah. It's not doing much for a healthy lifestyle, though, is it?
No, well, do you know what?
Well-
This is our last week.
Let's stuff ourselves, eh?
Let's enjoy it.
Like a pig of ourselves, eh? Last week.
The diet can start when we get home.
Yeah. The diet's always starting, isn't it? Never seems to finish, does it?
Never seems to get anywhere, does it?
No.
The thought's always there.
Yeah.
Me too, you know, we're always thinking about it,
What's doing his best?
but that's just where it stops.
Dinner's best as he scoffs a cheesecake. And a pint of beer. Very nice. Good service as well.
With a smile.
Service with a smile, that's what I like. Good value for money. And to get a meal of the day for $8.50 of such quality is going to take some beating.
And I think in some places, especially down near the front, you'd probably pay double something like this.
Yeah, you would. Lovely, thank you much. Enjoyed that, it's very good. Yeah. Okay. Right, well, we've just come out of the Bella Lola. It was really good, and if you're in the area, please call in and support this fantastic restaurant that has kept its prices down for years and years and years. He's just had to put them up a little bit to $8.50 for a meal of the day, which is absolutely brilliant. Really nice people. You get a great service, excellent value for money. Pop in and give it a go. That's That's all we can say.
It is, yeah.
And on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So, it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already.
Because it's free.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Bing!
Adios.